If you're on a free Perplexity account, you only get 3 file attachments per day. That means if you've got multiple images you want to upload, you're going to burn through that limit really fast. The fix is simple. Combine all your images into one single PDF, then upload that as one attachment. Perplexity reads every image inside it. Let me show you exactly how. Open a new tab and go to ilovepdf.com. It's free, no sign-up required. On the home page, click JPG to PDF. Click Select JPG Images. And here's the important part. Select all the images you need at once. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to pick multiple files, then hit Open. All of them are loaded up here. Make sure this checkbox, Merge All Images in One PDF File, is checked. This is what combines everything into a single file. Hit Convert to PDF. Download it. All your images are now inside one PDF. Quick note, just make sure the file doesn't go over 40 megabytes, which is the upload limit on the free plan. For most images, that won't be an issue at all. Now head back to Perplexity. Make sure you're signed in. The Attach button only shows when you're logged in. See this plus icon on the left side of the search bar? Click that. Find the PDF we just downloaded and select it. There it is, one attachment, all your images packed inside. Now type your question. Type something like, analyze all the images in this PDF and describe what you see in each one. Then hit send, and just like that, Perplexity goes through every single image in that PDF and gives you a full response. You used just one out of your 3 daily attachments and covered all your images in one shot. So that's the workaround. Instead of wasting your 3 daily attachments on individual images, bundle them all into one PDF first. Free, takes under a minute, and works every time. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.